Hey guys, this is Noise Fest RC. I have a small unboxing that I wanted to share with you guys. I just got it in today and I figured I'd open it because I gotta work tomorrow, so I wanted to get one of these for a while already, but we didn't have the money to do it, but I got it now. And I've been buying some other RCs, so that was really the main reason. And this is what I got. The Hero Black 5 GoPro. I was going on GoPro. It just couldn't really make the expense. Just cameras are just as expensive as an RC, so I just kept buying the RCs. But anyway, I finally got one, so now I can be able to do my videos a lot better. Because most of the time I'm by myself, trying to record and run the RCs, and it's kind of difficult to do when you're by yourself. But this should solve the problem. Sorry guys, I ran out of battery. Anyway, here's the camera. It says it's waterproof. I don't know if you guys know that, but the other ones are, you have to buy a casing for it to put it inside and make it waterproof. This one's waterproof the way it was designed. And it's got voice control, stabilization, and touch display in the back. So, pretty nice. And it's got the 12 megapixel photos, and it can do 30 frames per second burst. On the video you got 4K, you have 1080p, you have 2.7K as well. I believe you have 720 as well, P. Wi-Fi, we said voice control, stereo audio mic input. You can do an external mic, and it can give, you can also record raw images, raw photos. So cool. I also bought the kit for the GoPro. Should I say accessories for the GoPro? So here's the accessory kit. Pretty neat. It's got all the hookups. I really don't know how to use all these, but I will read up on it, because it comes with a head strap, the chest strap, all these other little gadgets. And it comes with a case to put all the accessories in there. Nice. It's got more accessories in here too. Cool. Pretty sturdy. Cool. So anyway, let's open this one real quick. book. Gotta read this. And it comes with the battery. I need to buy an extra battery. I didn't buy an extra one yet, but I will be getting another one. They say the batteries won't last that long, so I think that's it, guys. Nice. And the camera. It's pretty nice. Wow. Anyway, guys, I just want to share this with y'all and tell you that I should be able to do more videos now, especially with my quadcopters, which I've done, but it's so difficult to do it when you don't have a GoPro. So, anyways, talk to you later, and I'll do a short video on the first recording with a GoPro. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.